Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold did make a really nice impulsive move up at the 50%, and it definitely does look like three waves down. I think this move up here, this whole move up is a wave A. I think this move down is potentially a wave B, and I'm looking for an uptrend for a wave C. Potentially quite a ways up also if we go to the daily time frame. I mean, I think it's going to go to the 61 and potentially even the 78%, maybe even the $3,400 area to finish off this wave C. Now, gold does have a tendency to make more complex patterns like running and expanding flats and all kinds of WXYs and things like that. So don't be surprised if it does drop back down to a lower fib level before it does continue up, making more of a complex pattern like that. I'm kind of hoping that it just does something like this, and this is already the end of a crescent here. This is like a wave one, wave two, and eventually it goes up for a wave three of this wave C that I showed on the daily. Because remember, this should be an A, this should be a B. Potentially, we should be in a five-way pattern to the upside for a wave C, as long as this wave B is over and it's not going to make a complex crescent for the wave B, which it definitely could. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.